Hey guys, today I'm going to share with you how to make baked chicken thighs. And this is a simple, comfy dish that's great for a weeknight meal. And it has tender chicken thighs baked in a flavorful, zesty tomato sauce. And it's so delicious and satisfying, served over some fluffy rice. Okay, so let's get started. I really love this dish because not only is it simple, everyone just really loves it. So we are going to get started on the sauce. So for the sauce, you are gonna need 5 tablespoons of olive oil. I always use extra virgin olive oil. 2, 4, and 5. And then to that, I'm going to need lots of tomato paste. I have 5 tablespoons of tomato paste here. Add that to the pool. And then I'm also going to add lots of minced garlic. I have 5 tablespoons, not tablespoons, I have 5 garlic cloves here that I went ahead and minced up. It's gonna give it lots of flavor. And then I have 3 tablespoons of lemon juice, and that's about the juice of 1 lemon. And I also have the zest of 1 lemon as well. And I just love the combination of lemon and tomatoes. The tomatoes are already tart, but the lemon just kind of accentuates that flavor, and it's just gonna be so delicious. And to that, I'm going to add 1.5 tablespoons of smoked paprika, and that's gonna give it some nice flavor. And then you just wanna go ahead and mix until everything is well combined. Okay, so here I have 1 onion that I already went ahead and sliced up, and then I'm just gonna go ahead and sprinkle them all over the bottom of our baking dish. When the chicken bakes on top of the onions, it's just gonna create a delicious sauce. And then I wanna season our onions. Well, I'm gonna drizzle with a little bit of olive oil, and then go ahead and season with some salt and pepper. Always remember to season every layer. A little pepper here.
Hello.
And that's Bradley saying hello. Can I have my tongs? Thank you. Okay, so here I have some, not boneless, I have bone-in, skin removed chicken thighs. If you like chicken skin, go ahead and leave them on. I prefer to remove the skin, but if you like the skin, yeah, by all means, just leave the skin on. I have 6 chicken thighs in total because these chicken thighs are gigantic, so you can go anywhere from 6 to 8. So I'm just gonna place them on top of our onions and then season them with some salt and pepper. Because we have tons of flavor in the paste that we made earlier, we are gonna be really simple with the chicken, salt and pepper. Make sure to flip them over and get that other side seasoned as well. And I love working with chicken thighs. They're more forgiving than working with chicken breasts. They always come out nice, juicy, and tender, and that's not always the case when you're cooking chicken breasts. That's to be very careful to not get rubbery chicken breasts. So chicken thighs, when it comes to baking, for me is the way to go. And also, if you are leaving the skin on, make sure to season underneath the skin as well. You want everything to be nice and flavorful. I think I need one of those electronic shakers where you just push the button and it grinds it for you. And here I have 2 diced Roma tomatoes. You could also use cherry tomatoes, you could use grape tomatoes. I normally always have Roma tomatoes in my fridge, so I'm going with Roma tomatoes today. So I'm gonna go ahead and sprinkle them all around the chicken. Just sprinkle them around the perimeter of your baking dish.
Call it pause it.
Pause it?
Yeah,
I love the way he says pause.
Like click it.
And then usually when you dice the tomatoes, you have some remnants of the juice here. Just go ahead and sprinkle that over, and that'll just turn into a nice and delicious sauce for you. And then I'm gonna sprinkle over, I'm gonna drizzle over that sauce that we made earlier, the paste. Excuse me, Bradley. Actually, I want to show you guys up close. Let me turn the camera. So you just want to go ahead and spoon the paste all over the chicken here. And then when it's baking, the tomatoes are going to break down, and that along with the onions and the garlic and the tomato paste and the lemon is just going to be such a powerhouse of flavor. And it's going to be so delicious served over some rice. It's going to make a delicious sauce. All right, I'm just going to drizzle just a teeny bit more olive oil along the perimeter where the tomatoes are, over the tomatoes. And then all our prep work is now done, which is very minimal. And then I'm gonna go ahead and pop this in the oven. My oven is heated to 425 degrees. This will take about 40 minutes. We'll give a check in 40 minutes. So this is a great time to go ahead and work on your next chore or attack the next thing on your to-do list. So let's go ahead and pop this in the oven. All right, guys, it's been about 40 minutes. Let's go ahead and take a peek. Ooh, it is looking done. Let's go ahead and pull this guy out. And there you have it, baked chicken in a delicious and flavorful tomato sauce. All right, you guys, it is a moment of truth. It is time for the taste test. And what I really love about this dish is once you're done with all the prep work, all you have to do is pop it in the oven, let the oven do the work for you, and you could go on and be productive. I actually did a load of laundry, I folded some laundry, and I gathered both of my sons' school supplies ready for, one is going to kinder and one is going into 5th grade. So I went ahead and organized that while this was baking, and by the time I was done, I have a delicious meal waiting for me. Okay, so normally I would serve this over rice, but it's not dinner time yet, so I didn't get my rice cooked. But let's go ahead and give this a try. And if you didn't season it well enough earlier, you could always add some more salt and pepper. Ooh, that was super tender. Okay, let's go ahead. I'm gonna smother it in that delicious sauce. You guys, powerhouse of flavor. It is so good. The chicken is nice and tender, and the flavor from the tomato paste, the tomatoes, the onions, the garlic, the olive oil. What else did we put in here? Paprika. It is so delicious. Oh, and garlic. I don't know if I said garlic. It is so flavorful. I cannot wait to eat this over rice. Make this for your family. It's a delicious meal. They're going to enjoy it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. Please let me know if you guys enjoy any of my recipes. Let me know if I'm doing my job. My job is to help create and provide you guys simple and delicious recipes for you guys to make for your family. So I guess I'll see you guys on the next one. Oh, subscribe so I can see you guys on the next one. Take care.